Hey everybody, welcome back. So really quick, I want to show you how to call a scene from your source code. So you want to do this in the main AGC file. So if we come into our scene um, really quick and I pull up these scripts here, you're going to see a few functions that we actually want to utilize. So first, there's the level setup function, and also we have the level sync function. So let's go into our main AGC, and the first thing we want to do is include the scene into our file here. So we're going to do level.scene, and then what we want to do is utilize that first function. So that's going to be level setup, and we're going to close those off with brackets. And then under our do loop, this is where we're going to perform the sync. So this is going to be level and sync. And now if we run our game, there we go. We have our scene imported now into the game. And we can resize it. You can see it's not going to cut it off or anything. And there are some tricks that we can do with this as well, which we'll be going into later. But that's going to be it for this one. I just wanted to show you how to get it into your game once you've actually built it. And with that, I'll see you in the next one, everybody.